Hello, welcome to iAnyGo. Want to catch Pokemon at home? You can safely change your targeting without leaving home. Now there is a software called iAnyGo that can help you achieve this need. First, we download the iAnyGo software from the official website. After installation, enter the joystick movement. Choose how fast you move. Use keyboard or mouse to control movement direction. Now, enjoy catching Pokemon at home. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. See you guys in the next video.